Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins, and this is a thank you video as much as anything else. It's a thank you to Jackie, or as she's more commonly known to us, 10 Bob. There is a smaller Christmas card there with the snowman and the thingy on, but the beauty about this card, and I mean the real beauty about this card, is, if I need to go out a little bit, I think I may need even to go up. Just look at that. It's one of these beautiful cards that when you fold it out, it's a 3D card. You've got the post box, you've got the snowman, you've got the Christmas tree, all out from the background shot of a farm type house in the countryside. And it says, "To Steve, have a Merry Christmas and best wishes for 2024. Love from Jackie and Mr. T." That to me is special, because she thought of me and sent me a beautiful card that I wasn't expecting. So Jackie, thank you so much for that. And she also sent me a little gift. She knows that over the past few months I've been looking at getting a date run together of Russian coins. Now these are all Russian coins. They're ones that are a reasonably, I think you could say they were a lower value. They range from 20s, 10s, 5s, 15s, and 1s. Is that a 1 or a 10? Oh, it's a 2. These are wonderful coins. I wasn't expecting them, so thank you very much, Jackie. These will go well into my date run, and when I do my next date run I will be doing an overview of all these coins alongside them. And so Jackie, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. I wasn't expecting this, and the fact you thought of me and thought of helping me into one of the date runs that I'm trying to complete, and there's just so many of them, and they go back over a long period of time. These coins will be a special part of that run. So the thank you is over. If you go to Jackie's site, 10 Bob, and thank her from me for giving me this present. It was unexpected, as I say, and the card is wonderful. I love the card. So thank you, Jackie, and in closing, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and also if you haven't as yet, think about subscribing. I am trying to carry on increasing my subscriber level. I am going to set a target in the next couple of weeks, certainly by the end of January, and I'll let you know what that target is, and we'll be pushing this year to hit that target. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And if you're here, thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.